Hello? Guys. I heard something. Like a bang. I just heard like a bang come from my closet. Like over here. Oh, guys, I just heard something scary over here. Hello? Hello? Oh, guys, I just heard something scary come from my closet. I don't know what that was. Hello? Is anyone? Guys, I heard something. Hello? What was that? What the heck was that? Hello? Hello? Guys, I made a secret room in here. If you guys haven't seen the other video. Guys, I don't know. Guys, I keep hearing. I heard something scary. Hello? Oh, guys, I just heard something scary. I don't know what it was. It is. I keep hearing scary noises. Hello? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Pick up the camera in a little while. Alright, guys. It's the next morning and I can still hear something. It is 8:05 a.m. and I keep hearing noises coming from my secret room, a secret hidden gaming room in there. So that's what that mattress is gonna be used for the secret gaming room. Dude, somebody, where's all this? Dude, where's that? I had some blankets in that corner over there, and it's not in there anymore. Hello? Guys, there's this goes all the way up. There's something in here. I don't know where. Guys, this attic actually leads to the main attic on this roof. Comment down below if I should go explore it. I don't know, guys. I don't know what that was. Thank you guys for watching.